To make a sticker from a photo on iPhone, start by opening the Photos app and selecting the picture you want to use. Tap the Edit button in the top right corner to enter editing mode. Next, tap the crop icon at the bottom of the screen and choose the aspect ratio that works best for your sticker, such as square or circle. Adjust the frame to fit your desired sticker size and shape. After cropping, tap the Done button to save your changes. Then, open the Shortcuts app and create a new shortcut by tapping the plus icon in the top right corner. Name your shortcut and add the Open App action. Selecting the Photos app, add the Get Contents of variable action and choose the photo you cropped earlier. Add the Resize Image action and enter the desired pixel dimensions for your sticker. You can also add the Adjust Image action to make any final adjustments to the brightness, contrast, or saturation. Finally, add the Save to Files action and choose a location to save your sticker, such as the Files app or the Photos app. Tap the Done button to save your shortcut and create your sticker. To use your sticker, open the Messages app and start a new conversation or open an existing one. Tap the app's icon and select the Photos app. Choose your sticker from the Photos app and send it to your recipient. You can also use your sticker in other apps, such as email or social media, by accessing it from the Files app or the Photos app. This method allows you to create custom stickers from your favorite photos and use them in various contexts. By following these steps, you can create your own custom stickers from photos on your iPhone and add a personal touch to your messages and other communications.